welcome back to another video. And as you can tell, I'm my boy. We're over here slaving. We're getting the truck ready for the truck show. Isn't that right?
Yes, sir.
So as you can tell, we threw on some wheel lights. I like to leak oil in the back, so we had to clean up the rims again. Yeah, actually, it do look clean. Look.
Yeah, shoot.
For the second time in a row, I fuck up my axles, but it's alright. We fix it again, and we keep fixing it until we can't fix it no more.
Like Alonso said, como dice compa Alonso, it's part of the game. It's part of the love. Como dice?
It's all part of the game, or it's all, I don't know. Hey.
Son. We'll let him tell you. Clean, huh?
It's a little dirty.
Oh, what? Your butt plug already got? Damn, just butt plug, bro. I know you were zesty like.
Dip in it.
Oh, fuck.
I need to lift the truck.
Nah, you good. I'm strong.
Get that. Right now, we're getting my truck ready. We're getting ready for Lone Star Nights out in San Angelo. We're gonna take my truck, Efrain's, Alonso's, and my brother's, the tow pig. You can tell it's already on the trailer. And now we're taking mine, so we're just gonna take 3 trucks to the show. We're y luego la tow pig, la Black Betty. Mírala. Shoot. Got the back done.
Yes, sir.
Oh, she's looking good. She's looking good. Oh, we're gonna finish wrapping up this truck, or my truck. We're gonna load it up. We're gonna load it up on the trailer. As you can tell behind me, yeah, I got him washing this truck because it is filthy. Watch this. Filthy. I'll show you this side better. Look at this. This thing's trash. Look at these tires. Man. Never keep his truck clean, man. Never.
This is my baby.
Here's your Black Betty.
My black baby. She's soaked right now. I don't think anyone's ever seen this one.
Yeah, yes.
Oh yeah? They just seen it in the background. She's a little shy.
As you can see, we got our Frankie's truck in the garage right now. We're getting done putting in some rock lights. So, here's what these bad boys look like. And they're bright. Right now we got Alonso. Last truck getting washed. What's going on? Say what's up. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, guys?
Hell yeah. Take them on my whiskeys. We're getting the Black Betty, La Tope. Getting the oil change down here. Go say what's up to Ray. What's going on?
What's going on?
What you doing? Getting ready for the road trip?
Getting ready. I forgot she needed an oil change.
Okay.
It's alright, right?
Yeah, it's alright. Fuck it.
Last minute.
Yeah. You see? Black Betty. She's getting ready going down the road. Take the POS. Get the car cleaned up too. So. What you think, Alonso? What are you?
Good turnout.
Hell yeah.
So far, so good.
Early as shit. It's 3 in the morning. We got a long road ahead of us. We're over here posted up at the gas station. They're wearing their shirts already. What you think, Ray? What you think about this road trip?
Hope it goes good. Safe travels for us, for everyone going to. And then we'll see when we get there.
Just, so guys, I know this truck looks new in the channel. And my boy Efrain's new truck. He's the one that had the blue 7 or 6.7. Yes sir, yes sir. There's my boy Efrain right. There's my boy Efrain right here. You ready for the trip?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's go, let's go. A platinum? Hey, you know, we got my old boy Alonso in the house. What's going on, Alonso? Ready for the trip?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna sleep right now.
Now we got the good old Segi gin posted up on the trailer. Hold on. Watch this too. Stunning on them hoes. Got a little rock light action on the trailer. Looks good. We're going in style today. Hijo su, pinche trailer está low. Ahí está el crew. Made it to the show, guys. We're a little early, but you know what? It don't hurt nobody. Morning, America. We're a little early. Aquí estamos todos ya. The whole lineup. The whole the mid crew.
Oh,
You look tired. We lost some rock lights.
What is it though, for real? Oh, it's probably probably just extra wire. Como dicen ahí, my cousin. Mind your business. Mind your business. It's a grounding. It's grounding. Yeah. It's a grounding. I'm holding the brake. Hold on.
almost bad. You're like right on the edge. Wait, your tire's right on the edge, right? Your tire is like right on the edge. And that's he slipped too much.
I'm strong.
Get the strap. Strap.
Go fast. Go fast.
Oh, I don't know.
Go fast. Go fast. Right here.
He needs to turn. He needs to put his wheel. Oh, hold on. Tell him to go forward. He needs to turn his wheel. How'd you feel?
I almost died. I almost died. That was so scary.
You didn't see it from my perspective. It looks kind of bad.
Oh, the truck slid that way.
Well, honestly, I don't know how good I recorded it, because I'm trying to do that.
Yeah, because I burned out the tire screen. Yeah, I know why I slid. I know exactly why. I didn't get a gas. Like right on the. I didn't even get a gas. And I slid. Yeah, I don't know if you gripped the wheel on this side or not. This side. Let me park the truck. Follow you? I'm staying here. I'm leaving my truck here.
Well, guys, that was pretty interesting. Got the trying to act up because there's that Cummins over there. Yeah. Hey, wait, you gonna leave it here or what?
Yeah.
They said.
I have to.
Oh, okay. I think that's good. I don't know. I see. They might have to come. Still pretty early. What are you doing, bro?
I'm trying to connect this 360.
I can't hear you because your VGT turbo's freaking loud.
I'm trying to connect this 360 camera, bro.
Oh.
Not wanting to connect.
Oh, those. Oh, in the burnout pit. Oh, you're gonna go burn out in the pit. The burnout pit.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we just a trooper.
They just have to park right there.
Starting in this lane with this little box, where this little Chevy is, I'd like to start a lane. You guys can make your pick. You can make the decision. You want to face this way or that way.
We can face that way. We can just reverse into the structure here.
Perfect. And then I'll put you guys, try to get you guys at least like maybe 3 feet. It's tight, but
Okay, yeah.
close together.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm gonna stack this whole fucking thing today.
That works.
It's better than being out there. at the fucking
Yeah, I know.
I'm listening. I'm that one right there.
Yeah, let's keep it on that line right there.
Okay.
Because we'll have the dyno right there too, so you guys will be fucking right by the cool shit.
All right, bet.
Does this have a mic? So you know where we're close by?
What's that?
We're close by a dyno.
Where's that?
Right there.
Hell yeah.
And we're close to the concert too. This is a good spot.
Yeah.
Cause we're close to like the dyno. The dyno's right here.
Oh, hell yeah.
And then the concert.
Concert's right there.
It's like perfect.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
All the videos.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Oh, yeah, because I seen them recording up front.
No, this is where next to the dyno.
Oh, okay.
The dyno, that's the dyno. Dyno pulled out.
You gotta get recording. Yeah. I felt kind of weird. I didn't know what to do. I was like, yeah. I was like,
You haven't cleaned your strip? Guys, you can tell? Hold on. Before I get to saying anything, go over there and record if I use wrench. It's still on this hood. He's had it on there for the past 2 days, and we came all the way over here. He still had it. Anyways, we made it.
Hey, so you said I couldn't blast music, but look at these beaners.
You want to be like no.
I want my truck to sound like that.
I'm sorry. You want me to? You want vocal? Or you want bass? I'll turn up the bass.
Like that, both.
Anyways.
Yeah, I kind of ruined it because the cars are there now. Like, fuck it. I think this is too small of a show. I mean, too small of a spot for this big show.
It is.
Arnie can edit this out. The onions are clean right now.
Yeah. The restrooms are clean right now.
Clean right now.
Oh, dude, look, your paint can be like that truck, but like blue or red, or whatever you want to do. See it?
Yeah.
You got diesel in spray? I don't have spray.
Yeah. You should have told me. It's in my truck. My bad. And we got a hella bugs, and that's because you're behind us.
I know.
Hey, you didn't get that much bugs.
This is my windshield.
Have you been to a big show before?
Big show, yeah. I've never been in one though.
No. We weren't supposed to, but
Yeah, oh well. Oh, well.
it's good though. Look, we have a shade right here with this trailer.
Yeah. Till 11.
When they turn it on, it's gonna be annoying.
Yeah. Actually.
I think you gotta get a lift kit, Efrain. Efrain, you need a lift kit.
What's up?
You need a lift kit.
I know, bro.
I'm about to go check out those clean porta potties that Alonso was talking about.
What the hell? Oh, they did get it.
Anyways, I seen a license plate. It says, I forgot what it said actually.
No.
Oh, it says, these 8 fucking. We got everyone rolling up, huh, Alonso?
Huh?
So we got everyone rolling up.
I need 16 whites.
16
I
whites?
need 26 16s.
Oh shit, big ass truck.
I can bring my truck out here too, bro.
Okay,
I need a
come down, pit pass.
I'm not taking you back. Give a little raise.
Oh yeah, tell it.
Give it a little raise. Why? They're gonna get rowdy today, it's not her truck.
Oh, hey, more of a reason.
Yeah, more of a reason you don't care.
What do you think? What do you think so far? Everybody's rolling up right now.
It's alright. I mean, it's not bad at all.
Nah, leave it open.
No, I'm just kidding.
You look at all the stuff on the hitch.
Oh fuck!
That bitch smoke.
I'm a bad instigator.
Ohio? From Ohio? God. Wow.
There's a park over there.
Come on, is it recording? Make them matter.
I was wondering why it sounds so loud. It got a hood state.
Shit off. They mad, make them matter. Mira, pinche. I like that too. The clean. I mean, the battery. I gotta go pee, dude. Oh, I gotta pee. Hey, this will be good for the shop though, low key.
Yeah.
Get like a neon light in there. Ooh, that'd be a badass restroom.
Yes.
You can see like your pee stains all over the thing.
What? All yellow. Oh, fuck. It's just C6.
Alright, cool. My name's Efrain. I used to have the blue and gray truck. That was a Tuscany, but I switched over to a Platinum now. Same engine, same everything. We did a cab swap on it. Yep. Had to clean up. Looking good. We also brought these other 2 trucks as well. But yeah, so our plans on for today, we're just gonna chill, just enjoy the show and put this baby on a dyno and see how much horsepower we're pushing. I really just got a fast fuel pump, piping kit, and a turbo. Stage 2, 64, 9-blade. No limit.
Some slide.
Some slide, bro, nothing too crazy. Got plans for down the road, but that's for down the road. So what y'all gonna think I'm gonna be pushing on the dyno? I'm not too sure on just numbers yet. I'm not dialed in. I just got a tune. I'm not dialed in though. I really need to get dialed in. So I don't know. I guess we'll see how much we're pushing.
What do you think he's pushing?
I'm gonna say like 615, 610.
I really believe I'm like around 550 or so. I'm not too sure. I'm just throwing numbers.
I hope I didn't overdo it.
Nah, hell yeah. I don't know. What you think, Gray?
I'll say a good 600.
600? 600? What about you, Arnie?
I think I'll say at least 620.
Alright, cool. Well, I guess that makes my number go up a little bit. I'm say about 580. I really don't think I'm pushing 600. But yeah, we'll see what's up though. We'll see what happens. Yep.
From Midland, Texas. Pick up in the right lane goes a 760. Andrews, 605, that's your number. It's got a parachute on it, it's got to be fast. You need a parachute to stop, it's going to fly. Cadillac. These old Cadillacs will fly. Let's see if he gets a bite. See, Tyler Bradley's on the start line, so this car is built to go. Edgar, right lane, out of Alvarado, Texas. Bad diesel truck in the right lane here. Edgar's gone, 708.90. Keaton broke something right off.
You think you gonna blow your tires right now or you gonna blow them up later?
Yeah, I got a spare set behind the trailer. We're gonna blow these.
Oh, shit.
Change them, and then we're gonna blow those, and then
Okay.
we're gonna drive around on the rims.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go see if blow his tires up. Let's go.